'cause everything's already here. Right
Assuming that I'm happy and I understand and I have everything I need, how do I recognize and understand what the people around me need and what I can give them?
Great question. The beautiful thing is we all must go through the journey of recognition of perfection. Meaning, when someone else is struggling, creating suffering, being able to see perfection in their suffering, that's a difficult lesson. But it's the collective conscious creating all of it, the lower good to the higher good. It's no more better or worse. So being able to see people as perfect and giving them that vision of perfection, no matter what they're choosing. Giving them that knowing that all is well and always is, no matter what they're experiencing. That level of trust and expansion and awareness of knowing that they can never be separated from their good, no matter what is appearing, whether the car is stolen, whether they've been robbed, whether they've been murdered. Can they ever be separated from the divine, from the good, from the essence of what they are and who they are? So your best example and best gift is aligning, expanding your awareness to see not only the self here from this point, but the self there from that point in perfection. That's uniting. That's the oneness, the unity. There is nowhere that good is not, no matter what the appearance. When you think of terrorism, when you think of beheadings, when you think of all these sordid ideas and things that happen in form, rapes, murders, molestation, all these things that give us the heebie-jeebies. When you think of these things, there is nowhere that good is not. But our conditioning would have us believe otherwise. Either there's oneness or there is not. So what you can give is alignment to expand your awareness, to not only understand the concept, but begin to recognize it and then realize it. Realizing is knowing. Realizing is making it real. Through the experience and knowing, that comes from higher consciousness. Does that answer your question? Thank you for the question.